All right, let's go on down. Yeah, good girl. This is a perfect sheet of ice. Look at that. What do you got? What do you got? What do you got? What do you got? Look at this. Oh, good.
Watching all my life, watching me. That you can't help watching me.
Sunlight fell, it reminded me that life can be so gracious sometimes.
Wisco. Good girl.
And I felt like everything around me was connected somehow. At night I hear the rhythm of the ocean as it breaks on the shore. And I think about all the things that I am grateful for. And they say, hold on to the ones you love, keep them close to you. And they say, hold on to this time we have, and let the light shine through. bound by reflections of the memories they'll forever hold.
That was very good. Look at you bouncing. Look at you bouncing. You're just doing
They
it.
say, hold on to the ones you love. Keep them close to you. They say, hold on to this time we have.
Look at her go.